Hey there y'all, welcome back to my channel Makeup Freaks. It's your girl Vale coming with another video. Today's video I'm going to do a full face of only using Drugstore brand. That's including my brushes. Let's go ahead and jump in.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm going to start off by prepping my lips with a lip scrub, and this one is by Milani and this is in Rose Sugar. Okay, makeup freaks, all the products that I'm using today you can find in any drugstore except for the Wet n Wild brushes that were exclusive only to Walgreens. Everything that I'm using ranges from $4 to $30, which the most expensive was the Wet n Wild brushes. If you have any questions about any of the products that I am using or want to know exactly where I got them from, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I will be leaving all the details on the description part of the video. Now let's get back to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. forget to blend, blend, blend. And the two colors we're going to be using today is Gimme Mocha and Nudist Peach. We're going to start off with the Gimme Mocha, which is the darker color, and then we're going to come in with the Nudist Peach in the middle, and we're going to blend it in with our finger. Sorry guys, I noticed I didn't hold the product there long enough, but I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Spray Setting Spray.
And that is how I completed And that's how I completed my full face using just drugstore products. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any comments for me, leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Go ahead and remember to hit the notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming videos. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.